This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Colfax Glacier Glazed Hardwood interior, sleeps 8, stovetop burner, TV antenna, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.